Today I'll show you how to create flash loan arbitrage using this tools. First thing to do is select crypto token. We have plenty of token to choose from. Today, we try Avalanche token. Just click this AVAX icon. Then you need to enter your AVAX address. To get your AVAX address, just click MetaMask icon. And click to copy. Then paste the address you just copied. Then paste the address again to confirm. Now the next step is choose a loan amount. For now, we will choose loan amount of 30. In this area is the details for your AVAX flash loan. The contract deployment fee is 0.4 AVAX. Swapping fee is 10.79 AVAX. Gas fee is 11.2 AVAX. And the loan estimated profit or ROI is 103.6 AVAX. After choosing the loan amount, click Connect to MetaMask. Then wait until notification shows up. Then click Next and click Connect. Now after connecting to MetaMask, just click Deposit. Then wait until notification shows up. And click Confirm. And wait for the confirmed transaction. Then next step is click Execute. Then wait until notification shows up. And click Confirm. Now after this done, the next step is click your MetaMask icon and check if your flash loan is successful. It would take some time for the AVAX flash loan to show up. Boom! There you have it. Flash loan was successful. Note, if it doesn't work with 30 AVAX, try to send higher AVAX. Thank you for watching. I hope you like my video. Enjoy!